is Dr. Yash Goswami, physical therapist. Thanks for giving so much love to our previous video that is on shoulder joint. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can click on the above link. So today we will discuss about the shoulder flexion movement. Which muscles are responsible, all the action, insertion and origin of the muscle by 3D anatomy view. As you can see in this video, to view it in a better way, we will turn it in sagittal plane. So as you can see, this is the shoulder flexion. Three muscles helps in shoulder flexion, that is pectoralis major, deltoid and coracobrachialis. So firstly we will talk about the pectoralis major muscle. This is the pectoralis major muscle. It is a fan shaped muscle. As you can see, it is quite big. So it has multiple origins. The origins are medial head of the clavicle and at the sternum border, and it is inserting at the lateral lip of the intertubercular groove of the humerus. As you can see this, it helps in the flexion of the shoulder, and mainly the fibers which are active in the shoulder movements are the fibers originating from the clavicular head. You can see this. As you can see, the fibers originating from the clavicular head are mainly active in this movement. So now we will talk about the second muscle responsible for the shoulder flexion, which is deltoid muscle and mainly the anterior fibers. This is the deltoid muscle anterior fiber which is originating from the lateral third of the clavicle and inserting at the deltoid tuberosity. And as you can see the shoulder movement in the better way, this is the movement. So the third muscle which helps in the shoulder flexion is coracobrachialis. To view it in a better way, we will dissect the deltoid muscle first. Yeah. As you can see, this is the coracobrachialis muscle which is originating from the coracoid process of scapula and inserting at the medial border and surface of the humerus. To view its movement, this is the video. As you can see the movement happening. Thank you for watching. For more such content, do follow us on Instagram and also subscribe our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you.